Hello children. So as we have started with the comprehension, that is passages for reading section. Now let us go with the second passage from your workbook, from your grammar book, that is page number 130. You can open your book, page number 130 of Fun with Grammar, and you can see the second passage. This is the second passage. Read this passage that has a delightful conversation between a grandmother and her granddaughter. So, this is a passage about one grandmother and her granddaughter, and they both are talking with each other. They are sharing the things with each other. So, this passage is about the experience about her grandmother, and she is telling all these experiences to her granddaughter. So, we will start with the passage. This is a conversation, means they both are talking to each other. So, children, we will start with the passage, and later on you will be writing the notes also for that. See, once my grandmother shared with me her experience of visiting a village fair. Children, you know, even we have Gadda fair over here in Solapur city in the month of January, and you all enjoy this fair very much. You I think many children daily they visit to the fair, and each and everything, all the rides you enjoy there. Also you buy sweets, toys, whatever you like you buy from the fair. And if you see this fair, it's every year we can find this fair in our Solapur city. The same way, even this grandmother, she is sharing her experience of how when she visited to a fair, and all those experiences she is telling to her granddaughter. See, I was small and accompanied my father to the village fair. So, this grandmother, what she has done? I was small and accompanied my father to the village fair. This grandmother, she went with her father to the village fair. It was an annual affair and therefore cherished. Annual affair, see children, once in a year we find this fair in our city, and here also this fair had come once in a year over year, and she was very happy with her father to visit the fair. People from nearby villages used to visit the fair. You know children, though we have fair in our city, we find that many people, they come from the different places. They come from the nearby places, even they enjoy, as we have here Siddheshwar temple, those people they visit that temple also, and they enjoy all the things in the fair. The same way, this grandmother, she went with her father and she was very happy to enjoy this fair, and she said that many people from the nearby villages and places, they have visited the fair. They used to travel with the families on bullock carts. Now, as grandmother, she was very old, and she was telling her experiences. So, what she was saying, that many people they had come on the bullock carts from the nearby places to visit the fair. The wealthy farmers would come proudly seated on tractors. Now, the poor people, those who all were poor, they used to come on the bullock carts, and the wealthy farmers, means the rich farmers, they used to come on the tractors, and this grandmother, she started the experience about her. The Mela ground was prepared and decorated with ribbons and colorful stalls. If you see children, we call it as Mela, also for the fair. She was saying, in the Mela, the ground was prepared. It was flattened and it was decorated with the ribbons, with the colorful stalls. You can see many stalls are there. There are stalls of eatables, then flowers, toys, clothes, and many more things we can find in the fair. She was saying the Mela was decorated and many stalls were there. The major attraction was a dangerous bike ride. Children, even I used to like that, what we say, Maut Ka Kuan. So, these children, even grandmother, she also used to like to see that bike ride, and that is very dangerous. their life is really it is in a danger, because it is very risky for those riders to ride in the that round thing will be there, and they ride in that that it is like a globe. So, all these riders they ride over there, and it is really very risky for them. And she was saying the major attraction was the dangerous bike ride. You could hear the whenever you are on the in the fair, you could hear whenever you hear that sound of that ride, what you do immediately you go and watch that bike ride. So, here grandmother she was saying the major attraction in the fair is the bike ride. The rider was blindfolded before his adventurous ride, and what they do means in her days what they used to do, they used to put some strip or some cloth on their eyes, and they used to ride, and it was like one adventurous ride, some surprising ride it was. It was very exciting, and all the people they were very excited to see that ride. There were toy shops that sold birds, even they used to have the shops of where they used to sell the birds. Then animals and human figures made of clay. Children in olden days they were not having very advanced toys, we can say. Now we all have remote control toys, cars, then we can say trucks are there, many other toys they run on the remote control. But here in her days, in grandma's days, they had the toys made out of clay, and she was saying that the people they used to sell the birds, animals, human figures that was made out of clay, beautifully painted with vegetable colors, and those all toys or we can say the birds, animals, they were painted very beautifully, and they used to look very beautiful. What did you buy, Granny? I asked. Now, as she was sitting with her granddaughter, and she was telling all the things how she used to enjoy with her father when she used to go to the fair. Now, she is telling all these things to her granddaughter. So, this granddaughter what she does? She interrupts her grandma and she asks, what did you buy, Granny? She was knowing whenever she used to go, this granddaughter she used to go to the fair, she used to buy toys or doll or any sweets or clothes, necklace, earrings, all these things she used to buy. And now she was eager that what my grandmother used to buy from the fair. And she is asking her grandmother, Grandma, what you used to buy there? Oh, my absolute favorite were the water balloons. Children, I remember in my days also, we used to have that water balloons. The balloon was filled with the water and it was too heavy, and we used to play in that sense. So, we used to catch the balloon like this, and we used to play with that water balloons. She said my favorite was water balloons, and my favorite were the water balloons. The balloon had a rubber cord attached to it, and you know children, the balloon is like round and it is filled with water, and we have a string over it of a rubber to hold it. I would hold it as if it was the most precious thing in the world. And children, whenever you buy something from the fair, what you do, you handle it very carefully as if it is very, very precious to you. And even this grandmother, what she used to do, she used to buy that water balloons and hold it very carefully in her hand as if it was the precious thing for her in the whole world. Nowadays, you call them yo-yos. We call those water balloons as yo-yos. Did you have game stalls during those days? Now, she is asking, Grandma, did you play the games in the fair? And did you have those game stalls in the fair? She said, yes, dear. We had those air guns that every boy held it to look like a soldier, but targeted balloons. You know children, now also we have that. We have that round like that, and the balloons are tied round in a shape or in any other shapes, and you know boys, they are very eager to shoot the balloons with the air guns. She said in my days also we had that shop where the balloons were tied, and many boys, even the girls also, used to go and shot those balloons with the air guns. Then we had the card game. They used to have the card game, playing cards, you know children, with that playing cards, they used to have that games. Then fishing out cola bottles, they used to have that cola bottles, with the help of that cola bottles they used to do the fishing. Then lighting candles with a single matchstick, means various games they used to play. One matchstick they used to take and they have to light up in a minute or in a second, they have to light many of the candles. So, that was also one game and what not, and many games. She said many games we used to play in the fair. The craziest stall had mirrors of all shapes and sizes. Now also we have children, we can see that there are different types of mirrors, and where we can see the different shapes of images in the mirror, and it looks very funny, and you laugh at yourself only if when you see through that mirror. So, she said we used to have that mirrors, and whenever we used to go and stand in front of those mirrors, we used to love seeing that mirrors, and we used to enjoy and laugh over there. That make us look different every time we looked at our reflection, and whenever our image is reflected over there, they used to look in different type, and we used to laugh at ourselves only. I would turn round and round to get the feeling of dancing in a palace, and there was one palace over there. Now we have the Disney World or Disneyland, we can say. So, in those days they used to have like a palace, and this grandma, what she used to do, she used to go and dance in that palace, and she liked dancing in that palace, as if she was thinking that I am in a real palace, and I am dancing like a princess, you can say. What an experience it was. She was very happy to share her experiences, and she was just that I should tell more and more things what I have experienced in my past life. But don't you think the amusement parks that we have nowadays are better? Now this granddaughter, she is asking her grandmother, grandma, see you all had these things in your days. You had that dangerous bike ride. You might have seen those beautiful painted fruits, animals, then birds. Even you had those game stalls. Many things you had. But now I think these days the fairs are better than the previous one. She is asking to her grandma. She is saying that, don't you think the amusement parks that we have nowadays are better? She is saying whatever amusement park or the Disneyland nowadays we are having, that is better than the previous one. No, not at all. Grandmother says, no, my days that fair was very nice. We used to enjoy a lot. See, now also these grand people, they don't accept their things. They don't accept that. They think that our days were really very golden days. And yes, children, those days were really very golden days, because everyone were very happy and they were satisfied with whatever they had. And they means all the things were like very attractive for them, all the things made them very happy. But now we have to pay a lot, we have to work a lot for that, isn't it? Means our what we can say, our whatever we need, it's beyond the limit. So she says, grandma, she says, no, my days, those parks and those fair was really, it was the best one, she is saying. There is no excitement because you can come anytime you feel like. There is no excitement because you can come anytime you feel like. She says that, what she is to say? There is no excitement because you can come anytime you feel like. We waited for a year to enjoy the fun. She is saying that now anytime you can see the amusement parks are there, anytime we can go to the fair, anytime we can enjoy the fair. But we used to wait for one whole year, eagerly we used to wait for one whole year to the fair to enjoy the fun in the fair, she is saying. And really, if we eagerly wait for something, we get that excitement, children. So now she is saying, now anywhere, anytime you can go to the fair, anytime you go to the amusement parks. But those days we used to eagerly wait for the fair and to enjoy in the fair. But there is one thing that has changed for the better. the grandma, she is saying, but here one thing has changed, and that's it, that is, it is better. What it is, see, the circus nowadays is without animals. She says only one thing is better. Now, if you see, nowadays we do not use animals in the circus, because some many people, they harm them, means even they have their own life. So, it is not good that we should harm the animals. She is saying one thing is good, that nowadays in the circus we are not using the animals and the birds. I hate it when the elephants were poked or the lions whipped by their masters. You know, children, whenever we used to have the circus in our time, we used to see that elephants, they were poked with the stick, or the lions were whipped by their masters, so that they can play the tricks, or they should show the stunts over in the circus. So, she used to feel very bad when they used to poke the elephants or whip the lions or the tigers. It was sheer torture. She used to feel that we are torturing the animals. I just couldn't bear it, and she used to feel very bad. She was saying it was unbearable for me. I did not like to see the animals has been tortured in that way. Oh granny, you are an absolute animal lover. She is saying, means you like the animals very much. She is saying to her granny, this granddaughter, means you are animal lover. You do not like that the animals should be, they are tortured. And I wish we could travel quietly into the past to enjoy the old days. So, she is saying, even I liked your olden days, because here you have enjoyed a lot than us. And nowadays you see if you see the things, children, nowadays everything is on remote. You sit at home and enjoy, even you can sit at home and enjoy the fair. But in those days, the people, they used to go and enjoy everything in the nature, or whatever things are there in their surrounding, they used to enjoy. And that time all the people, they used to earn little, but they all were satisfied. And now we strive very hard to earn, and that much also we have to pay also. So, this granddaughter, she is saying, I would like to enjoy the old days with you. I wish the same, oh the good old days. She is saying, grandma, she is saying, I wish that those olden days should come back again, so that everyone will be happy, everyone will be satisfied, and everyone will enjoy these days. So, this was the conversation between the grandma and the granddaughter, and grandmother, she was telling all the experiences, what all things they used to do when they used to visit the fair. And this granddaughter, she is sitting and listening to her grandmother. So, I hope, children, even you might have thought now that we should also enjoy in the same way, and the same those days we should get it back again. I hope, children, you have understood this passage. Now, as this passage is there, you can see below some question answers are there. So, as I will tell the questions over here, and in the same way I will tell you the answers, so that you can mark over there. First one, see, describe the village fair that grandma recalled from her childhood days. How it was the village fair in the grandma's days? See, if you see on the page number 130, they have given that it was an annual fair and therefore cherished, and then people from nearby villages used to visit the fair. They used to travel with their families on bullock carts. The wealthy farmers would come proudly seated on tractors. So, this was about the village fair in grandma's days. So, you can mark that answer, that is the second paragraph, page number 130. Now, second one, what was grandma's favorite thing? She is asking, grandma, what is your favorite thing? What was a favorite thing? Her favorite thing was the water balloons. Grandma, she used to enjoy the water balloons. And what it is called nowadays? Yes, it is called as yo-yos nowadays. So, she used to enjoy the water balloons, and those water balloons are called as yo-yos nowadays. Which one was the most dangerous event of the fair? Now, And this is the third question, and you can see which is the which one was the most dangerous event of the fair. The most event dangerous was the dangerous it was bike ride. The bike ride was the most dangerous event of the fair. Then the last question is, what does grandma say that proves that she is an animal lover? Now this girl, she is asking her grandma that how she has proved that she is an animal lover. She is telling that, if you see on the page 131, last 3-4 lines you can see, the circus nowadays is without animals. Grandma, she is telling the circus is nowadays without animals, and she says she used to hate when she used to see the animals were poked or the lions were whipped by the masters, and she used to feel that it was like torture to those animals. So, and it was unbearable for her. So, she from this thing, this granddaughter, she can say that grandma, she proved that she is an animal lover. Okay. Now, if you go to the B question, find words in the passage that mean the same as the following words. See, now first one they have given once a year. They have given once a year. This is comprehension 2. If you see the B question, now you are going to write the similar words for the words given. First is given once a year. So, you can write the word over here, annual. Once a year means annually. The similar word for once a year is annual. Second is rich. The similar word for rich is wealthy. That is rich. The similar word is rich. Word for rich is wealthy. Third one is main. Third one is main, and the similar word for main is major. And the last word is disliked. The similar word for disliked is hated. So, these are the meanings for the words given in your workbook. Find words in the passage that mean the same as the following words. So, first one is once a year, that is annual. Second is rich, that is wealthy. Main, that is major. Dislike, that is hated. So, these are the same words for the words given in your workbook. Now, next if you see the exercise C, write T for true and F for false. So, first one, if you see children, grandma loved when the elephants were poked or the lions whipped. Grandma loved when the elephants were poked or the lions whipped. Is it true or false, children? Yes, it is false. So, that is C1 is what? C1 first answer is false. So, you can write only F as false. Second, the Mela ground was prepared and decorated with balloons. The Mela ground was prepared and decorated with balloons. Yeah, they were decorated with balloons or what? No, they were decorated with ribbons and colorful stalls. So, is it true or false? Yes, it is false. So, you are going to write it as F over here. And third one, grandma's absolute favorite were the water balloons. Yes, children, is it true or false? Yes, it is true. So, you are going to write it as T over here. And last is, grandma was an animal lover. Was she? Yes, she was an animal lover. So, it is true. So, first once again, First answer, if you see, grandma loved when the elephants were poked or the lions whipped. So that is false. Then the Mela ground was prepared and decorated with balloons. That is also false. Third one, grandma's absolute favorite were the water balloons. This is true. And the last one, grandma was an animal lover. That is true. I hope children you have understood with this passage. See, once again if I will say, once again if I want to tell you in a summary, this grandmother and granddaughter, they were having the conversation. This granddaughter, she was asking her grandma about her olden days. And children, you know, when you sit with your grandparents, they share their own experiences, and those experiences are really they are very wonderful, they are very amazing. And you know children, those days were better than these days, because in those days the people, they used to earn that much, they were very satisfied, they were very happy, and those people, they were really very honest, they used to earn very properly, and their expectations were not beyond their limits. So, this grandmother also, she is explaining, or she is telling all her experiences about her olden days, that how she used to visit the fair with her father. And she says that it was the annual fair. Nowadays, if you see anywhere, if you see somewhere or the other, the fair is there, park is there, amusement parks you can see, the big malls are there. Means you nowadays you are not having that eagerness that I should visit the fair. It's very common to you now. Anywhere, anytime you can go to the fair. But in those days, she says, grandma, that I used to eagerly wait for the fair, that when this December month will get over and when the January will come back and when we will be having the village fair. So, she was very excited and she was very eager to enjoy in the fair. So, grandma, she is saying that I used to visit with my father to the village fair, and the main what she says, she used to see that many people, they used to come on the bullock carts. Those people in the olden days, they were poor and they used to come on the bullock carts, and they used to think these people are poor, but the people, they used to come on the tractors, they were very rich people, rich farmers, they can say. And grandmother, she is saying that they used to come very proudly, these farmers, on the tractors, and those days for the fair they used to call as Mela. This fair was very decorated with beautifully with the ribbons and with the colorful stalls, and she was saying the main attraction in that fair was the dangerous bike ride. And she says that those days we were not having the remote control toys over there. We used to have the toys or the birds, animals made out of clay, okay, and they were painted very beautifully. Also, she says, now children, you all have your favorite toys. So, even this grandma, she was also having a favorite toy as a water balloon, and she used to enjoy with that water balloon, and nowadays we call them as yo-yos. And this even she says, grandma, that we used to have the game stalls also, where we used to play with the air guns or fishing. Then they used to do the fishing or lighting the candles and many more games. And then she says that we used to have the mirrors also, where we used to enjoy, where we used to have the fun. And again she says, only the one thing the grandma she likes in these days, that the circus is without the animals and birds, because she did not like torturing the animals or torturing the birds, because she was animal lover. And this granddaughter, she was very happy to listen all these things, all the experiences about her grandma. And she says, grandma, I hope that even I would like to go, I would like to enjoy how you enjoyed in your olden days. I think we should get those olden days back. Children, even I think those days we should get it back, because those days people were very happy, they all were very satisfied, and now here we are having lots of tensions, lots of worries, so many things we have to work for that, isn't it? So, we are they were very happy in those days, and really even I am waiting for those days to come back. Even I think children, you will also enjoy those days if they come back. Okay children, thank you.